great. Un tique cansado, pero no stay, emotional, not, um, yeah, a lot, emotional a lot, you know what I mean? We lost some great ones, you know what I mean? So tonight was dedicated to them, you know? The intro says it all, you know what I mean? Everything starts with a great prayer, you know what I mean? So we had a great prayer, you know, to start off the night and the performance, and it went great. I must say it went great. Everything starts off with a nice prayer, and everything will follow after that, you know.
This is not the way it was meant to be. We should all live like one big family.
You don't know, be safe and have fun. You know what I mean? Those signs I think Carnaval, man, let's have fun, man. Let's do it. Well, you don't know, depois conversar com tanto gente, você toca, sinta dentro do estúdio, bem com a ideia, na você hey, eu tenho touching up a haci, certo caminho não pior ainda, agora penso que bom, manda dentro do estúdio, bang grava, que man, I'm gonna say the final product was awesome, que man, we did a good job, it was great. Eu me agradeço a Deus em primeiro lugar. Agradecer a Deus para o talento, para a oportunidade, para a roceia. We want to give thanks to Tsunami, of course, you know, for the backing. Champagne, Lynch Merriweather, Sydney Merriweather, of course, the family, the mother, the whole family, the crew, fans, everybody who came out and support, all the musicians who contributed to the Caiso Soca Monarch. Much love and much blessings to them all.
Yes. Y él sale tres tarde.